Sanibonani guys. So namhlanje we are focusing on electrotechnics N6 module 5.2 or singasho ukuthi part 2 of module 5 lapha ekugcineni. So we are focusing on T method ku-generation and supply of AC power. We are focusing kuphi ku-T method namhlanje. Bheka la ngibhala ukuthini? Ngibhala ukuthi sending end voltage current power receiving end voltage ne current loan. And remember ngibhalela ukuthi VPS no IPS no nelona ne power factor. It's because you know uma uperform ama-calculations waperforma in what? In a phase. Waperforma in what? In a phase. Remember ukuthi ulona use most of the stuff, most of ilona ama-question ukancane ukuthi ubone i-delta. Remember ukuthi kune difference between i-delta and ilona. And most of the times uzothola in i-star and the star connection, you know ukuthi u-V line S for sending or a city V line. You know ukuthi u-V line it is equals to square root of 3 VP. Phase le. Remember ukuthi I line it is equals to I phase, which means kumele wenzeni uconvert each and remember ukuthi each and every voltage abazokunika yona it's a line voltage ku statement unless stated otherwise ukuthi like it's a phase. It is a phase. Then ngifuna ukuthi sifocus kule ndaba le e-length before singena kulona ukuthi how do we calculate ama questions. So in this part indaba yele kunokuthi banokunika i-length remember ukuthi it is measured in what? It is measured in kilometers. If they gave you i-length, make sure ukuthi wabheka kahle ini ama impedance yakho. Ngamanye amagama ngithi impedance ngimokwazi ukuthi mangabe R, remember ukuthi impedance is equals to R plus uJ XL or ubani uXC or uXC or uXC. So in this part here, they will give you in impedance, they will give you a resistance measured in ohms per kilometer, which means wena kuzomele wenzeni, kuzomele udivide ngalaphayana ngaleya length leya, which kuzoba ubani ukilometer, then uma udivide ngaleya length leya izokunika ubani u-R ubani ohms. Asimfaki lapha asesubani u-ohms per kilometer. Ngamanye amagama chaza ukuthi if you are given i-length ubani 200 kilometer 200 kilometers, then they say ukuthi i-resistance yakho it is equals to 0.2 ohms per kilometer, which means wena to find i-resistance measured in what? In ohms, kumele wenzini? Kumele udivide lo 0.2 ngaloya 200 loya. So uma udivide loya 0.2 all over u200, remember ukuthi u-kilometer ohms per kilometer divide by lona lezi divide by kilometer lezi zokhanselana bese sisala ngobani ngo 0.2 over 200 ohms kanje. So which means now XL and XC we do the same thing. Let's yenze lapha, we divide to XL XC ne resistance ngobani ngale ya value of length, so such that sizokhona ukulona only if the SI unit says ukuthini ohms per kilometer, or sometimes banokunika ilona microfarads per kilometer, you divide by ilona length yakho lapha, or sometimes banokuthi microfarads kilometer lapha millihenry kilometer, nakhona still usayenzana usadivide ngani ngekilometer. I hope says one. Then after that you convert, and remember ke ukuthi ama values wakho you know ukuthi XC it is equals to 1 all over 2 pi FC. Then for XL it is equals to 2 pi FL kanje. Into vele okumele uyazi ngasho ukuthi okumele ngikukhumbuze futhi. So manje siya straight kuphi ku sending end ilona. So in this part of sending, remember ukuthi every calculation ozobe uyenza ku sending end uzoyenzani, uzo-add. Then every calculation ozobe uyenza ku receiving end uzoyenzani, uzo-minus. So astro circuits lapha yani T method. So because sinane pi method, so la manje sifocus ku T method. So if circuit C method ina kanje, so we are having a resistance and i-inductor, i-resistance and i-inductance. So here it divided by i-capacitor. Then kanje. So we are having ubani u-A here, okay, A here. We are having u-B here. We are having u-C. We are having u-D here. E and u-F. So njengoba uyibona kanje, this yabona injani lento, T inobani, ino-T, that's why sibizwa ubani, u-T method. So in this part, remember ukuthi ama-calculations waperforma ngani nge-phase, which means here we're having in this, it's ascending because the current goes like this, iya ngaphi current, so bese nangapha iya-breaker, ifike nangapha i-break futhi iye ngapha, then this kuzoba yini, i-receiving, le part le ngapha yini, i-sending, le ngapha yini, i-receiving end. So in this part here, if they say ukuthi calculate a receiving end or a sending end, which means ama unknown uzoba nganawo ila wangapha, mabazi calculate i-receiving end uzobe unganazo izinto zangapha, ezangapha ku-receiving lezi ama voltage nani abazobe bakunikeza zona lapha phezulu. So in this part here, which means here we are having ubani, u-VPS, I hope sathula, bese lana sinobani, sino IPS laphaya, bese silana sinobani, sino R total all over u2, and ubani, u-XL all over u2. Yabo, shuthi each and every impedance abazokunika yona, so i-impedance abazokunika yona uzoyidivide ngobani, ngo2 before wenzani ucalculate uperforma in ama calculations wakho, because ma ungadivide ngo2 izoba wrong. Bese nangapha futhi still sesubani, u-R total over u2 no-XL over u2. So i-impedance yangapha yaka AB is equals to i-impedance yakabani, eyaka BC, which means i-impedance abazokunika yona ayalingana lama impedance lawo. La bese sizoba noba no XC ngapha because we are having capacitor ngapha. So we are having even u-IC bese ngapha we are having IPR because manje sesikuphi ku-receiving end, bese we are having ubani, u-VPR kanje, because we are having what you call this thing, i-receiving. I hope sazwana. So mawudrowe kanje ilona yakho i-circuit yakho, which means sona 2 marks already kuleya 13 marks ozobe uyibhalela. So wadrawa lento kubalekile ukuthi udraw because inama marks lento kubalekile uzoyidrawa laphayana, mawudrawa lento which means sona 2 marks without nje include ama values or in, mawudrawe kanje sona 2 marks. And then siya kuphi manje kuma calculations. Remember ngithe mina uZAB, ngithe impedance yaka AB is equals to impedance yakabani, yaka BC. Ngamanye amagama ngichaza ukuthi u-RT all over u2 plus uJXL all over 2. Into ozobe uyenzani, uyicalculator le. Into ozobe uyicalculator lapha. Remember ukuthi sometimes akusuka ukuthi uzocalculate le kuqala, uzocalculate le yakabani, yaka VL is equals to pi, singithi pi akusupi lo. So square root of u3 VP, then manipulate, which means uzoba no VP is equals to uVL all over root 3. Into ozobe calculate just ukuthi if they didn't state ukuthi we are having a phase voltage, mabangashongo, which means you're given voltage, it's what it is, a line voltage, you have to convert kubani kuma phases. Lento ezobe yenzakala lapha. So into engizomchazela ngayo ukusuka from ngapha ku-receiving kuya kuphi ku-sending, which means your question must be similar as njengoba ngizosho bazothi calculate the sending end voltage, or bathi calculate the sending end current, calculate the sending end power factor. So which means uzoyenzani, uzosuka from ngapha wonke ama-values abazabe bakunike wona, angeke bakutshele ukuthi owe-receiving or owe-sending maku-statement, but uzobona ngani nge-question ukuthi bathi calculator in i-sending end voltage, or bathi calculator in i-receiving voltage, which means mabathi calculate i-receiving voltage, which means ama-values uzobe unawo 1 ewe-sending, bese mabathi calculator in i-sending end, which means uzoba nama-values 1 ewe-receiving. Angeke bakutshele ku-statement ukuthi we-receiving or we-sending. The question will tell you ukuthi it is a receiving or ewelona ewe-sending ama-values abakunike wona. I hope sazwana. So masiqhubeka laphaya uzocalculate ulona wakho into uVC, uVP wakho wokuqala, number 1 calculator in uVP wakho, bese number 2 ufuna ucalculate in impedance. If they gave you in i-length, which means uperforma lento le ngithengiswe ngeqaleni laphaya, uyacalculate ukuze uthole amalona wakho in ilona. And remember ungakhohlwa lento le yakabani ucalculate u-XC. Sometimes banokunika ilona i-inductor, sometimes bakunika i-capacitance, or sometimes bakunika i-reactant of i-inductor, sometimes bakuphe i-reactant of ilona i-capacitor. So which means mangithi this one u-XC it's a reactant ne, bese i-reactant bese u-XL nayo, u-XL is a reactant. Bese u-C, it is a capacitance. Oh, sorry. It is a capacitance. Is a capacitance. Bese u-L, i-inductance. Inductance. So uzobona ngani ngokuthi bathi millihenry bese la bathi microfarads. If they gave you times 10 to the power negative 9 sengikhohlisa nakho times 10 to the power negative 9, you have to convert ecala kuphi kulona times 10 to the power negative 9 to times 10 to the power negative 6, then cancel perform ini ama-calculations wakho. Ngamanye amagama chaza ukuthi ilona yakho must be in this form kuqala yakabani yaka-microfarads before uperform ama-calculations, because mangaba awuyenzanga izoba wrong i-question yakho. I mean ama-answers wakho azoba wrong, which means ke masichubeka laphayana uzofuna abani uZC le ihamba laphaya, because we don't have any resistance, which means sizoba nobani no 0 minus uJXC. La asidivide ngo-2 laphaya, asidivide ngo-2. So masichubeka la sicalculateile ini, sicalculateile ama-impedance weights, and ngithini mina sisuka from receiving to bani to sending, which means you will be having ubani uVPR nobani no-IPR. So the only way to find bazokunika wona. So most of the time wathola ngokuthini bakunike i-power, which means uzoba ne-power here, bazokuphi i-power, which kuzoba ubani u-PR. I-power, remember ukuthi kuno root 3 VL IP cos I mean u-IL lo man cos R kanje. So in this part bathi sino 3 VP no IP cos R, because this kuzobe kuyini kuyi-receiving. So this one eyaka 3 isebenza only mangabe unani unama phases, la unama line values, la unama lona, or bakuphe ini i-apparent power nayo still kusazoba ubani u-SR, it is equals to square root 3 uVL IL. La asina i-power factor, bese mangabe we have uzoba no 3 VP IP, but mina still nangapha sesobani line no phase. Still ngapha mina I suggest ukuthi usebenzise maphi lawa ka-line, such that ungazokhona ukwenzani ukuziconfuse, ungawasebenzisi lawo ungawasebenzisi lawo ewe-phase, but if you are comfortable ngawo uzowasebenzisa lawa. I suggest ukuthi ungawasebenzisi lawo we-phase, sebenzisa lawa ewe-line, because uyothatha ama-values akuphi aku-statement nje kuphela uwafake laphaya, then you find in u-I laphaya, which kuzoba ubani uzofind i-value kabani yaka-I, such that kuzoba ubani loyana kuzoba u-I L R, i-value ozobe uyitholile, but remember ukuthi u-ILR ku-star kuzoba ubani is equals to IPR, which means ama-values akhona azolingana. Even the statement list sibalulekile ukuthi usibhale. Le statement list sinama-marks naso. The statement ungasinyathi lesi. Le statement sinama-marks. Uzofuna ubani number 3, ufuna bani u-IPR, which is ubani u-ILR is equals to u-IPR. Bese ke siyadlula number 4, uzofuna ubani uVBC. Remember ukuthi sifuna ini uVBC, le voltage ihamba laphaya. Remember le voltage le eye-receiving mayiphuma, le voltage kune voltage ihamba laphaya. So which means sizofuna bani uVBC. uVBC it is equals to u-IPR multiplied by uZAB. uZAB, remember ukuthi uZAB is equals to uZBC, or noma sesingathi uZBC sihloniphise nje uZBC, but remember ukuthi uZBC is equals to uZAB. Bese after finding uZAB uzofuna bani uVC. Sizofuna bani uVC. Remember ngithini ezisuka from receiving to sending ziyawubani ziyangani ngeplus, so sizofuna ini voltage ihamba laphaya. Sizofuna i-voltage ehamba laphaya, bese sinayo i-voltage ehamba lapha, sinayo i-voltage ehamba la, which means sofuna ini i-voltage ehamba laphaya. So i-voltage ehamba lapha siyithola kanjani? Sizothi laphaya VBC plus uVPR, right? Siyaplasa laphaya, bese ku-sending senzani? Ku-sending soyenzani? Sizothi lapha, sizothi ku-sending sizothi VC it is equals to uVAB, because ngithi iyangala ku-VAB minus ubani? uVPS, minus uVPS. But I suggest ukuthi in this part of minus ubheke i-value enkulu before uminus aqala. Uminus nge-value enkulu from ku-sending kuzoba ubani? U-sending lo. Yeah, we're sending. Bese ke uVC wethu uVC so ngitholile, bese after finding uVC uzofuna bani? U-IC. U-IC so kuzoba unumber lo number 4, 5 lo, u-6 lo. U-IC okuzoba ubani? U-VC all over u-ZC. Obvious vele we don't have anything parallel to it, which means kuzomele sithole ubani? U-ZC, and u-ZC uzobe semcalculateile, u-IC lo uzobe semcalculator using u-VC esemcalculateile there laphaya. Bese ke after finding u-IC uzofuna bani? U-IAB. I mean u-IAB, which kuzoba ubani? U-IPS. Kuzobe ku-IPS. Remember ukuthi i-current yangapha, i-current yalaphaya sesiyitholile, sesinayo. So sesifuna ne-current yangapha, sesifuna yiphi? I-current yangapha, such that sizokhona ukuthola ini? I-voltage yalaphaya eyangapha. So which means sizofuna bani? U-IPS. U-IPS wakhona kuzoba ubani? Number 7 wethu lo. U-IPS kuzoba ubani? Is equals to ubani? It is equals to u-IC plus u-IPR. U-IPR. Remember ngithini? Siya plus la. Bese kulona ku-sending nakhona u-IPS, I mean u-IPR. U-IPR it is equals to u-IC minus ubani? U-IPS. U-IPS. I hope sazwana. Ku-sending masuka from sending to receiving. Lana ngapha sisuka from kuphi? Ku-receiving to sending. Bese ke mase sowutholile u-IPS, u-IPS ufuna bani? uVAB. uVAB using ubani? U-IPS multiply by uZAB, number 8 wethu lo. So mase soqeda ukuthola lokhu, mase soqeda ukuthola lokhu uya kubani? So ngitholile uVBA using this formula, then uthola bani? uVPS. So utholile ini? I-voltage on ascending. Bese uzoba nobani? Kuzoba ubani? uVAB plus uVC. I hope sazwana. uVC because uVC prepare laphaya. uVC ukuthi mina kanjani? uVC nangu lapha uVAB, which means mele si-add lezi ukuze sithola bani? Le voltage leya. Shuthi uthola to find this voltage siyuza iwani? U-IPS and lelo yakho. uVC wala, uVC sithola bani? uVBC nobani? Nodona kanje. I hope you understand. That's all nje kuphela. If ukuthandile ukubonile, subscribe and like, ushare nabangani bakho abathanda ukufunda njengawe. Asibonge.